Do you ever feel like you need more hands when you're putting a project together? I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about an easy way to simplify assembly right after this. It's time to dust off those drop cloths and rollers because it's paint week here at Today's Homeowner.
And Labor Day is the perfect time to tackle paint projects around your home, and we've got the expertise and advice you need.
We'll be sharing all of the best painting hacks, tips, and inspiration.
Plus, we're giving away a $100 Home Depot gift card to get the supplies you need for the perfect paint job.
So visit today'shomeowner.com/paintweek today to learn more and enter. You know that feeling. You're trying to assemble something that requires small pieces of hardware in tight spots. There's very little room for a hand to hold the part, let alone for your drill driver to drill a pilot hole or drive a screw. Or maybe you're trying to work overhead where you're fighting gravity as you try to hold a tool, a fastener, and the hardware. Try this instead. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape, like carpet tape, and stick it to the back side of the hardware. Now when you put the hardware into position, it will stay put without your help to hold it in place. You then have both hands free to drill pilot holes or install fasteners. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.